Can a child choose which parent they want to live with? The short answer is no, not really, but let's go into the details. So first, in order to know, let's say that we already have a custody order and we're trying to change it. What do we need to do? The burden is you've got to meet McLendon. A parent seeking modification of previous order bears the burden of proving that change in custody will materially promote the child's best interest. So that's what you have to prove, okay? So the petitioning parent must demonstrate to the court that a change will more than offset the inherently disruptive effect caused by uprooting the child. So this is the case here, McLendon. This is the case that you'll always hear lawyers talk about when you're trying to change the current custody order. You've got to show that there's been a material change of circumstances that since the previous order, that the child's best interest will be materially promoted by a change of custody, and that the benefits of the change will more than offset the inherently disruptive effect resulting from the change of custody. Okay? So what weight does the child hold? What power do they hold? The answer is really a lot, okay? The preference of the child, regardless of his or her age of maturity, is not determinative of the issue of custody, but is a factor that the trial court may consider. So it is a factor, so it's something the court wants to know about. However, this next part goes into that the paramount consideration, the most important, is the best interest of the child. So the child may want to live over there because they can go see their boyfriend, or they may want to live over there because they can play basketball, or something that they've got a buddy that lives over there. But the real consideration is the best interest. So, but what level does the court? Although a child's preference is not dispositive on a custody modification determination, a trial court may assign much weight to the custody preference of a child of sufficient age and discretion. So as they get older, how old? There's not an answer here. 12, 13, 14, 15. Once they get 16, it's really hard for a judge to tell a child what to do. What are they going to do? Put them in jail? They don't go by the custody order. So as they get older, it's the word they use is much weight. So it's not enough that that's where they want to live. It's got to be that's where they want to live and something else. The key is finding that something else so that you can show that it's in the child's best interest.